Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Realme GT 8 Pro returns as a true treat for the senses, especially when it comes to photography. This time, Realme has teamed up with Ricoh GR for a fully customized camera experience from start to finish, delivering a dramatic upgrade in photo quality. If you love capturing moments with your phone, this collaboration is something you'll want to explore. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The star of the show is definitely the camera module. Realme has designed a replaceable lens cover that attaches using 2 screws. It's a clever approach that gives you the freedom to choose your style. Prefer a round look? Go for it. Like a square layout instead? That's yours too. Even the lens module itself looks cool when removed, and swapping in different colored covers or a clear transparent one adds a unique personal touch. The back of the phone stands out as well. It features recycled leather and uses eco-friendly materials like recycled paper and flute wheel components, making the phone greener without sacrificing style. Every unit has passed GRS certification, and the texture gives off a paper-like, comfortable feel. On the front, you're greeted by a 6.79-inch 2K flat display running at 144 Hz, delivering sharp detail with a pixel density of 508 ppi. Touch controls feel incredibly responsive thanks to up to 3,200 Hz touch sampling and a 360 Hz 4-finger sampling rate for gaming precision. With 2,000 nits of full screen brightness and a peak of 7,000 nits in specific areas, visibility outdoors is excellent. It also offers hardware-level circularly polarized OLED eye protection along with full brightness DC dimming. Realme has taken its street photography concept to the next level. The GT 8 Pro features a 50-megapixel main camera using Ricoh GR's anti-glare technology, a 1.56-inch sensor, f1.8 aperture, and 7p lens with multi-layer coatings, reducing reflections to just 0.2%. Ghosting and glare are significantly reduced thanks to dual-layer AR coating. The 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens brings enhanced optical stabilization and fast Super QPD focusing, making zoom shots sharper than ever. Behind the scenes, Realme and Ricoh GR co-developed advanced image processing, including 10-bit accurate color transition, a powerful HDR engine, pixel-level clarity tuning, and a film-like texture algorithm. Inside the camera app, you'll find Li Guang GR Mode, which recreates 5 iconic film styles such as standard, positive film, negative film, high contrast, and black and white, right down to grain and vignetting details. It even restores the beloved 28mm and 40mm focal lengths, turning this phone into a true street shooting companion. Photos come out with a classic film vibe, complete with distinct texture and artistic grain that make every shot feel like a timeless memory. Even the viewfinder in this mode has been redesigned to feel clean, focused, and immersive, helping you stay locked into the moment while shooting. Outside of the GR mode, regular camera performance is still exceptional. Wide-angle shots remain sharp and detailed, and the telephoto lens delivers stunning clarity even when zooming into faraway buildings or objects. Of course, a powerful Realme GT wouldn't be complete without serious performance. The GT 8 Pro sports the Snapdragon 8 Elite platform, paired with the independent R1 display chip. Gaming is buttery smooth. In testing, half an hour of gaming held an average of 120.8 FPS with impressively steady frame delivery. Even with max settings and Genshin Impact at 60 FPS, it maintained a consistent 60.2 FPS. With R1 chip enhancements, it supports high-resolution, high frame rate modes like 2K at 120 FPS in demanding games. More than 10 titles already support 2K at 144 Hz gameplay, ready for you to try. To top that off, the phone includes a powerful vibration motor and dual symmetrical speakers with premium acoustic materials that enhance clarity and bass. Battery and charging are equally exciting. A massive 7,000 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, plus 10 watts reverse charging support. It also supports 50 watt PPS protocol and full scenario bypass charging to extend battery health. Connectivity is reliable everywhere, with support for 21 global 5G bands across 150 plus regions, including N79. Realme also added ultrasonic fingerprint recognition for faster unlocking. On the software side, Realme UI 7.0 debuts a new light and shadow design aesthetic with highly customizable themes and lock screens. The updated system is smoother, and features like the little unbounded wing let you intelligently recognize and capture text or video content on your screen instantly. Overall, Realme GT8 Pro delivers upgrades across the board. The camera system sets a new benchmark thanks to its GR collaboration, helping anyone shoot cinematic, story-rich photos. Combine that with a brilliant display, strong motors and speakers, big battery, faster charging, and top-tier performance, and it becomes hard to point out any weaknesses. If you want a flagship that checks every box and delivers a well-rounded premium experience, Realme GT8 Pro is absolutely worth choosing.